Did your Gmail account suddenly get disabled? Don't panic. I'll show you how to submit an appeal and possibly get it back in just a few simple steps. This Gmail account belongs to my cousin, so your login screen might look a bit different. I'm only using it for this tutorial, but don't worry, the process is the same for everyone. Alright, let's get started. On your screen, just click Submit Appeal. If your screen looks like this, tap the button you see here. Next, enter your appeal reason. You can use this sample message. Then hit Next. And enter another Gmail address. Make sure it's different from the one that got disabled. After that, click Submit. Google will review your appeal within a few days and send the result to your alternate email. After that, you'll receive an email from Google with the result of your appeal. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.